Hey guys, welcome to Coding 101. This is the 21st day of 30 days of code. Let's jump to the solution part as I have already read the problem. Let's come to the extended view, and select Java 7 for coding. Now let's remove the unnecessary comments and start with coding. We will create a static method named printArray, with void as the return type, and pass an array of object as parameter. After that, let's create for each loop which will iterate through the elements of the array, and print them in separate lines. And with that we have completed our coding part. Now, let's run the code and see if you get correct output. Now, let's submit our code, and with that we successfully completed this problem. If you have any problem regarding this code, you can ask us in comment section, and don't forget to like this video, and subscribe this channel. We'll meet in next video. Till then, goodbye.